Hello, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're talking about here in the setup here is for the new Karcher EASYLOCK Quadthread system trigger for the HD and the HDS machines out there. So at the moment in time what you've simply got is a screw fitting that goes onto the bottom side. That can be made quick release if needed to be at any stage. So we can fit a quick release on that, so the hose itself is quick release. Coming out the other side, what we've simply got is this little item here. And if you look inside it, this comes with glue inside. So you don't need to tape the actual fitting itself. Once fitted to the trigger itself, it will seal itself. So what we've done is insert that and fit that onto the trigger. We've taken the lance off and we've fit this in place. So this is the quick release system. We've got the spigots here, so we've got the snow foam bottle, so it means that you can use the snow foam bottle directly straight into that gun on a quick release. We've then set this one up, so what you've undone there, you've taken and unscrewed your lance off the gun itself, and what we've done is set an adapter up here, so your lance is then also quick release. So you would screw your lance onto this fitting here. We've then made this so it's quick release as well. So your snow foam bottle. Now if you look inside here as well, you'll notice that there's an Allen key slot. So that is how you undo it and tighten it in if you needed to. So if you fasten it into the snow foam bottle, if you've got a leak at any stage or anything, or you've got a blocked jet inside the injector, Allen key, you just unscrew it from that point, take it out, clean the jet out inside and refit it. What we're going to do is set this up so you can actually get this as a complete unit. So you'll be purchasing this, one of these complete. We can sell this on its own, and this set up here so it goes onto the gun itself. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and this is for the new type Karcher gun, the EasyLock quick screw 4 quad thread system. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. We have this, like I say, available in male and female, so if you want to do something else with it, we can supply them on their own. Thank you.